Alrighty, YouTube, how we doing today? Hope you guys are doing incredible. I know the season's turning. You guys are starting to worry about Turkey Day and Christmas coming. Well, you know what? We got something pretty cool here today to hopefully take your thoughts and minds and all that other wonderful stuff off the holiday crap that we're all about to endure. As you see, it's something by Kershaw. And gee, I wonder what it is. What could it be? What could it be? What could it be? Yes, guys, I know it's like my lamest joke ever on my channel, but my channel, my joke, okay? So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to show you what came in that package. Alright, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that opening. Now, as you know, we're going to take a look at the Kershaw Thistle. But before we get too much further into this video, guys, for you longtime viewers and you first-time guys, right down here, there's going to be a little channel watermark that should pop up. Hover over that and just nail subscribe for me, guys. Get it out the way now. That way you don't miss any of the future insanity of this channel. Alright. So, I was wandering around, trying to get out of my house, and I went into Dick's Sporting Goods. Yeah, I know, save the booing, save the hissing, just please, alright? And I saw this sitting on the rack. And the first thing that got me was, well, it wasn't locked down, so I can just pick it up and bring it to the register. By the way, don't do that, because, yeah, wow, they don't like that at all. You have to be escorted to the front of the store with a blade. I don't know, but still. So that's what it looks like. What instantly caught my attention and went, I have to check it out, is that big push button right in the middle. Now this is a first for me. Okay, I'm going to show you why in a moment. I'd never had a blade like that before, and I'll be honest, I may not do it again. I may not, because it's caused me a little bit of some concerns, just with screwing around with it. But I will tell you why in just a moment, as if you couldn't see, like right there. But anywho, let's get into the stats on this guy. It's got an overall length of 7.625 inches. The blade is 3.25. And the handle is, closed. It's about 4.375. It's got a little bit of a weight to it at 4.11 ounces. It is in the drop point style, which I love. It does have a plain edge. And as you can see, it does have that stonewash finish, which... it's just phenomenal to me. I love the coloration and I love the effects it has on the blades. Now, the blade steel is 8CR13 MOV. I know. Save the booing and hissing. Budget steel, budget blade. I get it. No biggie. We do have stainless steel liners inside. It does have a reversible pocket clip, so you can carry it left hand, right hand, and it's only tip up. We got dual thumb studs for a manual open. No big deal. Now, here's the part. Oh, wait a minute. Before we get there. It's glass-filled nylon handle with the K textured grip. I think it's kind of okay. Oh, yeah. Made in China. Who cares? And I can kind of see why. It is a discontinued model. So if you like what you're seeing today and you can find one, make sure you grab one as soon as possible. Now, here's the part. All right. There's the liner lock. You really can't get to it too well, can you? Not with your fingers. Push button. I really got to remember. There we go. Okay. Now, when I'm holding it, sometimes my finger's hitting that button. Right there. I get the nifty coolness factor of it, but that safety level alone just makes me a little worried, like, when I'm holding it and pressing, are you actually going to disengage it? But that's just me, okay? I may be wrong. If any of you have one of these, let me know what you think. Let me know your experiences with it, all right? But now, let's cut stuff. That's not bad. Getting some pretty cool ribbons there for a moment. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, let's cut some paracord. Not bad for just a pull test. Okay, here we go. Slice. Not bad, Tom. Now let's destroy our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Okay, so for this little wonderful guy, over on Amazon, it's going to run you $15.49. On Kershaw's website, it's basically $40, $39.99. Really, for a discontinued model, $40? What the? Blade HQ, it's $12.99. And I bought it at Dick's for $14.99, so basically it looks like I got it right at middle of the road. Now, its ratings over on Amazon were 4 out of 5 stars. Kershaw gave it 5 out of 5. And Blade HQ, 4 1/4 out of 5. Alright, guys, that's my quick look at it. I want to know what all you think. You, and you. Let me know what you think, guys. Questions, comments, love, hatred, everything, man, down below in the comment section. You know I love getting them. You know I want to hear them all from you. Alright? Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for spending a moment of your day with me. I know your time is valuable, and I'm very honored you chose one of my videos. Now, for all you long-time viewers out there who haven't done it yet, man, here's your second chance. Right down there in the corner, there's going to be a large channel logo popping up. Go ahead and destroy that thing, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Now, after you've subscribed, please go ahead and destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Because it's going to notify you every time I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, two are going to pop up. Well, guess what? That's right. Over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Thistle. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an incredible day today.